Doctors will never tell you about this recipe that will renew your liver and make you look 10 years younger. The human liver is a super organ that performs important functions such as fat burning, discharge of toxins and many others. Poor nutrition and bad habits will affect the work of all the organs of your body including the liver. The function of liver can be impaired when an individual takes on some very unhealthy habits. This will only lead to the accumulation of toxins and aid in unhealthy weight gain. This therefore requires a solution to ensure recovery of the liver by eating healthy and living a healthy lifestyle. We therefore recommend a natural recipe that is effective for the cleansing of your liver. This beverage has many benefits for your liver health such as cleanses the blood, strengthens immunity, detoxifies the body, prevents inflammation and infection, fights cancer cells, works as an antioxidant, improves metabolism, reduces blood sugar and reduces cholesterol in the blood. It has a good effect on your skin as well. Ingredients needed for this recipe: 2 lemon, 1 cucumber, a handful of parsley, 200 milliliters of water. Preparation and method of use: blend ingredients mentioned earlier in a blender until you get a homogeneous mixture. Take this remedy a few times daily for a month. After this time the liver will be free of fat and toxins and you will lose excess weight and look much younger. Your body will be full of energy again and you will feel much better. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share to family and friends. See you in our next video.